Hey traders, are you feeling exhausted from the guesswork in predicting market reversals? Looking for a real-time trading advantage that enables you to pinpoint robust reversal points across all currency pairs and timeframes? Enter the Order Block Edge, a cutting-edge tool designed to discreetly scan and unveil institutional order blocks, presenting a wealth of possibilities for trading. This means a goodbye to the tedious task of navigating cluttered charts and second-guessing your trading decisions. The Order Block Edge empowers you to see genuine market direction and also ensures you recognize authentic trade setups. But before delving into the details of the Order Block Edge, I want to ask you to show your support for the channel by hitting that like button. Also subscribe and activate the notifications to stay informed of our upcoming videos. Let's start off by looking at the chart with the Order Block Edge indicator on default. On the chart, I have selected the British pound against the US dollar in the hourly time frame. In the background, the Order Block Edge is looking for institutional order blocks to predict market reversals. But what exactly are institutional blocks? Think of them as footprints left by the big players, the large institutions like banks and hedge funds. The beauty of it all is that these order blocks consistently behave like the laws of physics. Price is drawn towards them, much like gravity pulls an apple to the ground. From the chart, we can observe all of the different signals from the last couple of weeks. The first way that these signals can be used is quite simple. When we see a bullish order block, that usually marks the beginning of an uptrend, and the opposite is true for when we see a bearish order block forms. This means you buy when a bullish order block forms and sell when a bearish order block forms. Can't get simpler than that, right? The second strategy, you use these order blocks to gain an early entry advantage by entering on order block rejections. From the chart, we can see that the price is revisiting the order block and is expected to have another rejection. This means we can either place a pending order or wait for a live buy entry. For this buy trade example, I will set my stop loss according to the levels provided by the order block edge, and for the take target, I will aim for the second take profit level. By harnessing the power of institutional order blocks to identify key areas where the market is likely to reverse, we are able to enter this winning trade. Next, let's explore another trading example using this next generation indicator. For this example, I've selected the US dollar against the Japanese yen in the hourly time frame. From the chart, we can see this large bearish candle with a big wick rejection. So we'll start off by marking all of the key price levels right here on the chart. Additionally, we see that the order block edge indicator has identified two bullish order blocks in the price area, which shows potential for reversal. Lastly, from price action, we can observe a double bottom rejection away from our second order block. All of this shows the potential for another rejection, so we enter our buy trade. For the buy trade, I will use the levels provided by the order block edge, which are marked on the chart. Once the trade is running in a profit, you can always take some partial profits or move your stop loss to break even, turning it into a risk-free trade. With the order block edge by your side, you can say goodbye to fake trade setups and hello to the real direction of any market move. Next, let's examine the opposite side of the spectrum by looking at a sell or short trade. On the chart, I've selected the FTSE 100 or UK 100 in the hourly time frame. Firstly, let's start off by marking all of the key levels right here on the chart. From the chart, we can observe that we have a bearish order block away from the supply zone. Additionally, as with our previous examples, price action is now again approaching the zone and we can expect another rejection. My entry candle will become this bearish engulfing candle, which shows good momentum for the trade to play out. Now, once the bearish engulfing candle has closed, I will enter my sell trade. For the sell trade, I will place my stop loss at the area marked by the indicator and set my take target according to the second level. Now, one of my favorite parts of the indicator is not only does it give you more quick wins, it also gives you bigger profits from these order block based reversals. Next, let's explore another sell trade using the order block edge. For this example, I've selected the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar in the daily time frame. From this example, we can see that we are currently in a downtrend with the previous sell signal reaching the second take target level. Now, price action is again forming a pullback into what was previously our take profit zone. With this bearish bias from the previous sell signal, we can see price action again entering the bearish order block, and we can expect another rejection. Now, for the second entry on the sell side, we will need to wait for the engulfing candle to close to confirm the rejection. Now, for the sell trade, I will place my stop loss a few points above the recent swing and aim for double the return. Meaning for every pip that I'm risking, I'm aiming to make double the amount. With the order block edge, you can instantly identify potential reversal points across all currency pairs and time frames. Next, let's take a look at another trading example. However, before moving forward, if you found this video helpful, please drop it a quick like. Thanks. For our next example, I've chosen Bitcoin against the US dollar or BTC USD in the hourly time frame. As with our previous examples, let's start off by marking all of the relevant price levels. From the chart, we can see that we are in a continued uptrend with the order block edge providing us 3 different buy opportunities. Then, once we reach the demand zone with the bearish order block, we can expect the market to have a pullback before the continuation of the overall uptrend. Now, once price action rejects away from this demand zone, we can enter our sell trade. For the sell trade, I will place my stop loss above the recent market swing and aim for double the return. What you might have noticed from these different examples is that the order block's edge isn't just another tool, but rather a new approach to finding high probability reversal trades based on the scientifically tested order block concept. Next, let's explore our last trade example. On the chart, I've selected the Australian dollar against the US dollar in the hourly time frame. Firstly, let's start off by marking all of the key price levels or order blocks on the chart. You will notice that we previously had a buy signal with a bullish order block. Then we observed that we created an uptrend with the market forming higher highs and higher lows. For our traders that already had the indicator, this uptrend gave them more than 80 pips. Now the next day we receive a bearish order block with a sell signal after price action rejected away from a demand zone. What we can see is that we had our first double top rejection away from the demand zone, and then after this the bearish order block formed. Now for the sell trade entry, we can either place a pending order in the zone identified by the indicator, or we can manually enter when price action reapproaches the zone. Now for the stop loss and take profit, I will use the values calculated by the indicator and let the trade run its course. The reason why I use these values is they are calculated using the ATR or average true range indicator, which gives you a dynamic measure of movement in pips. In conclusion, the order block edge offers a comprehensive solution providing a real-time trading edge that empowers you to identify high probability reversal points across an array of currency pairs and time frames. This means you get to say goodbye to the days of getting caught on the wrong side of the market and experiencing that fear and anxiety. Embrace the order block edge and let it mark a significant milestone in your trading journey. So if you're interested in learning more about the order block edge, make sure to visit our website. I would recommend that you take a closer look at our Indicator Vault Premium membership. With the Premium membership, you'll gain access to the order block edge, plus multiple other next generation indicators. So I hope that you found this video helpful, and best of luck with all your trading. Bye.